Hi guys, and welcome back to the Solo Day Trader channel. I'm Shami, and today I'm just going to be talking about the market in general. So the market has been absolutely crap lately. Like, there's pretty much no trading opportunities. Even if there is, like, basically, everything that just goes up, it just gets straight sold into. The US market, Australian market, New Zealand market, yeah, it's all pretty crap at the moment, and that's what you call the rundown phase. So the thing is that you can't be hard on yourself when the market is down. It's pretty much near to impossible to make money, or even good money, during this period. So if you look at the chart here, the NZ50G, you can see that we're pretty much in this consolidation stage, and the consolidation stage is pretty much telling us that we don't know whether the market's going to go up or if the market's going to continue trending downwards. And the thing is, you can't really do anything in this sort of confusion stage, because you saw previously there's like this huge uptrend. On a drawing tool. Let's get out the drawing tool, wherever it went. There it is, the brush. Yeah, so basically, like, we're in this upwards market, good, had a good uptrend going on in the overall NZ market, and then you saw these little dips here where you could have bought and just continue to go higher. But as you can see, after the coronavirus and stuff, you've seen everything just come back down, and it never pretty much got back up to as near as like 13,000, or 13,700. So now where we at right now, so in April 2022, we're all the way down here in this consolidation type patch, where we're just a bit confused, as in, is the market going to turn around and go up, or is the market going to continue to go down? So there's many things that's caused this. Obviously, there's like the war going on, inflation issues, like all sorts of stuff, rising interest rates, and this all pretty much impacts on stocks and how investors and traders actually trade and invest in the market. So the market is really important thing to keep a gauge on, because it allows you to give sentiment. Like, the most important thing when you're trading stocks is you want to make sure there's lots of buyers present in the market. So everything just comes down to buying and selling pressure. Obviously, there's lots of buying pressure and less selling pressure, then stocks are going to go upwards. And then vice versa, if there's lots of seller pressure and less buying, then the stock market is going to go downwards. But right now we can see in this patch that it's pretty much just break even. So just in that confusion stage, and what I'm doing during this stage is just keeping to the sidelines and just waiting for the opportunities to come. And I know a lot of you out there probably holding some losing stocks, and that's okay, because if you have some good quality stocks and you really believe in them and they're going to go higher, then just hold on to it. You just got to hold on during this patch. The only thing you're probably losing is just time. You could use that capital elsewhere, but if you're holding a losing stock, then just pretty much just hold on until you can see the market starting to reverse, which it will at some stage. So the market it doesn't matter, it's not just a stock market. The thing is, you can plot like market sentiment on any chart. I just opened up this report here for like housing prices. So you can see here, like, this is the overall housing market in Upper North Island. So house prices, an indication of how well the housing market is doing, because people are willing to pay higher prices. So you can see here, like, the housing market continue to go up year on year, and we saw when we got to about the 2020 mark, then house prices just started to ramp up and just went pretty much parabolic a little bit, and now it's pulling back a little bit. So similar to the stock market, so when the housing market pulls back a little bit, it's probably going to consolidate before continuing higher. So the thing is, house prices I'm not a real estate agent or anything, but like, just looking at the chart, I can just tell that basically the house market is probably going to, what the economists are saying, like, cool off. The house prices are probably going to stay pretty consistent and pretty stable for a while before they start to go higher again. So it's pretty much like a consolidation in the housing market, and that's the same for stocks too. So stocks, it's going up for so long, consolidated, it's going more downwards, so it pretty much came off like a rundown phase, and then now we're just in that consolidation phase, and we're just looking to see like which way is the market actually going to go. It's the hardest time to make money as well, like when the market's not showing a strong indication of whether it's going up or a strong indication of whether it's going down. Similar to the housing market, like, you know, you got the overall uptrend, and you can see from this chart anyway that the house prices are going up, you know, over the long term. So a pullback is okay, and yeah, so that's why I wanted to talk about with market sentiment.